Hello everybody, this is Francisco Martinez for MDF1, and this is week 4, or as I like to call it, the easiest project of this month. And my god, was it easy. I didn't think I would have a lot of trouble taking care of, well, not taking care of, but doing this project, but compared to the ones that I've been dealing with the past couple of weeks, or that we've been dealing with, this was by far the most simplest one I've ever seen in this month. Which is good because it kind of means that it ends on a high note. Um, I gotta say, this was a tough month before I actually demo this. If it wasn't for trying to figure out the outlets for the first couple of projects, I think I would have probably breezed through this class because a lot of the stuff was definitely pretty simple to figure out. It was just trying to set up the outlets with um, any of the storyboard items or elements or anything like that. That's what really made it tough for me. And also having to deal with multiple pages for view controllers or table bars or anything like that. That's what actually made it really tough for me. The setups are fine, but everything else was like it was just the outlets. I felt the outlets really made it hard for me as far as this month. But like I said, this will at least I got this one. This one actually ends on a high note for me. So I started it up. It worked on my iPad, but I'm just gonna show it on the simulator instead. I do have this nice little setup here. It's pretty simple. Then it comes up. The website I'm using is Hustle Paintball. So all your shopping needs for paintball can be done here if you want them. I also make sure to put in some comments to make sure that the buttons on top actually work. So I'm going to start up here and then stop. As you can see, it stops it. It says that it stops. I can go back. As you see, the back button does work. Let's try a new one. Now this page is going to open up. And then I'm going to reload it. And the page reloads. I'm going to do a quick thing real quick. I'm going to choose an item, stop, and then reload. Now as you can see, it doesn't, that's one of the kind of things that I'm trying to figure out is why is it that when I stop it I can't just reload the page again. Not only that, the reload doesn't even show up on the comments, which is weird. But everything else works. I could go back, and it still works on like anything else, like choosing an item. It'll show up. You know, if I want to just reload it, I just reload it, and it'll reload it. If I wanted to go to somewhere else, but I didn't want to, I could just stop, and it'll stop no matter what. And I could just go back. So it all works. Here is the source, which I thought I was gonna have trouble trying to get, but I am so glad I got. All of it is on here. I believe this is for the first page. That's what it looks like. Because I would expect it to be a heck of a lot longer if it had multiple pages attached to it. So, oops. Either way, this is how it is. You notice there's a home button here. What I wanted to do was click it and it'll go back to like the original screen, but I don't know, for some reason I have the home button from here connected to this page and it doesn't want to really do it, which it's kind of lame, but I guess it's something else that I have to do in order for that to work. But other than that, everything works fine. This is like this is probably like the simplest project I've had for this month, and I'm very, very happy with it. I'm very glad. Just this alone got me excited. Having to actually load the page up got me excited because as far as wanting to build an app that I've been wanting to build, this is one of the things. This is one of the features that I want to make sure is in there. So yeah, I hope you guys thought this was an easy project for you as well. I hope you had a good month with this. I know it was tough on me. I hope next month I don't have to deal with my same issues that I did for this month. In fact, I feel like I can actually go into next month knowing that I'm gonna actually do a heck of a lot better. Um, so yeah, I wish you guys luck, and you have a good night.